Hello there. No matter how the economy performs, there is one investment that is always a sure bet. That is investing in yourself. And you can invest in yourself in many ways. In this video, I will explore the different ways to invest in yourself, and perhaps in ways you have not even considered yet. I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Raymond Huan, and if you own a business, you are interested in business, or you wish to learn about the tips and tricks on how to operate your business better, I encourage you to click on the subscribe button that you see before you right now. Investing in yourself means putting in the resources, that is the time, energy, and money, into improving yourself for a better life in the future. Many resources about investing in yourself focus on self-development, specifically in developing skills and knowledge that will make you better qualified to do what you do. We begin with the most common way of investing in yourself, that is investing in your professional development. As a business owner or someone who is interested in business, we owe it to ourselves, our customers, and our employees and the community to be the best that we can be. That is, to build the best working environment and to nurture profitable and impactful partnerships. Learning is an important part of growth, and as discussed in a previous video, committing to lifelong learning helps make you a better business leader. There are multiple ways to develop knowledge and skill, and most CEOs read about one book a week, and many successful people in businesses are known as ferocious readers. For example, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk, just to name a few. Books do not have a monopoly on information. Thanks to technology, there are many ways that you can access relevant information. You may read blogs, listen to podcasts, or watch videos online. The upside is that these resources are free to access, and you may do so at your own pace. However, if you prefer something with more structure, taking a course that may be better for you. The upside is that you take these courses online and at your own pace right in the comfort of your home or wherever else you may find it conducive to learn. Many of these are short enough to take up only a few weeks of your time, when some short courses you can finish within a single day. And if you're worried about the cost, many courses online can be accessed for practically nothing. The downside is that sometimes you don't get that certification, which could prove that you actually did something to improve yourself. However, if you find that online course relevant and of great interest to you, you can always upgrade to paid access at any point in time. This gives you the full experience and certification at the end, and all that is required from you to begin is to go online and sign up. I found that by paying for courses, I am more committed to completing them as I have invested my own funds into it. And it also forces me to choose the courses carefully because I have invested in them. And who benefits from this? I do. You too can benefit from the following strategy too. Consider finding a mentor or working with a business coach. In fact, I would recommend that you find someone outside of your business who can help you see things from a different perspective and a detached standpoint. Small business owners' personal financial health is typically tied to their business's financial health as well. This is good when the business is doing well, but not so when the business is experiencing challenges. Investing in your financial health means two things. One, it means maintaining good financial housekeeping, both for your business and your personal finance, ensuring the two do not mix. Know your financial position at all times and the measures you take to stay afloat to achieve your financial goals. Perhaps the most crucial aspect of your financial health is trying to find different sources of income. The common investing advice is to diversify. That is, do not put all your eggs in one basket. The same is true for your business, but also for yourself. And this may mean diversifying your product line, expanding your client base, setting up even another business, or finding other sources of passive income. This is to create a balance and to even out the risks so that you may stay afloat even when your business is not doing well. As a business owner, you are the most important asset in your business. If you wish to know more about that, I have a video that you can go view that and understand what I've talked about. Your health is a critical factor in your business health. And how will you function if you are sick? The pandemic has taught us the importance of taking care of our health and how illness can upend everything. And even before the pandemic hit, many healthcare professionals warned us about how stress and burnout can have negative effects to your own business. Nothing good or productive comes out of a tired mind and body, which is why relaxation and recovery and building business stamina is very, very important, which I talked about in another video. Eat well, rest well, and take everything in moderation. Exercise, meditate, take regular walks, see your doctor for regular medical checkups to ensure that your health is where it should be. Finally, perhaps more importantly, is investing in your mental health. The Australian Treasury reports that 1 in 5 Australian small business owners have been diagnosed with a mental health condition. The pandemic has hit some people harder than others, impacting not just their physical health, but also the mental health as well. And there are several ways that we can take care of our mental health. Exercising is a good option, which many of those suffering from mental health conditions acknowledge how regular exercise gives them the energy and helps them regulate things better. Many people find that the time to meditate, even for 10 minutes a day, helps them work through the day better. And experts recommend taking regular vacations. Once a year may seem like a luxury, but if you work hard the rest of the year, some time off would be worthwhile. And more importantly, if you feel you need more than rest, please do not hesitate to see a healthcare specialist. You are important. Your mental health is important. And after watching this video and learning the different ways in investing in yourself, in your professional, financial, physical, and mental health, invest in yourself. So how do you plan to go and invest in yourself? What areas are you going to prioritize? Send me an email, do let me know. My name is Raymond Huan. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to catching up with you in the next video soon.